Hurricane Fiona battered Bermuda with heavy rain and strong winds, knocking out power to much of the island. Ahead of the storm, people hunkered down in preparation.
My patio doors, or my veranda doors, whatever, are already boarded up.
At the height of the storm, wind gusts reached as high as 103 miles per hour. But officials with Bermuda's weather service said the island appeared to have escaped the worst. The same can't be said for Puerto Rico, where the massive cleanup effort is slowly coming along. Nearly 1 million homes and businesses remained without power Friday morning, days after Fiona caused catastrophic flooding. In San Juan, volunteers collected basic goods and food items to be distributed to the hardest hit areas. As residents pick up the pieces, Fiona continues to track north. In Nova Scotia, boat owners secured their vessels while others stocked up on food.
We got everything all tied down, and I have everything prepared. I got my candles, I got my batteries.
With 8 inches of rain expected to fall, Fiona is shaping up to be one of the most severe storms in Canada's history, where it's forecast to make its next landfall. Michael George, CBS News, New York.